Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with the partner monetization policies on Instagram and you want to be able to fix that? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So what I did firstly was that I went into my Instagram app. So as you can see I'm currently on my Instagram app right here now. And then what I did firstly was that I came into my Instagram profile right here, and then I clicked on the three lines in the top right corner. So I clicked on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what I did on this page is that I just scrolled down in here. I kept scrolling down until I can see here where it says help. So click on help, and then I clicked on report a problem. And then once again, I clicked on report a problem. I clicked on include and continue. And now I wrote like this to the support. So I basically just wrote like this. I am having issues with the partner, partner monetization policy. I believe I done anything. haven't done anything wrong. Please fix this for me. So this is what I wrote myself basically. I am having issues with the partner monetization policy. I believe I haven't done anything wrong. Please fix this for me. Now click on send in the top right corner. You need to probably wait 24 to 48 hours for Instagram to be able to actually see that you have reported this to them. So about in 1 to 2 business days, go back and check your partner monetization policy once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.